Save early. Save often. Can't stress this enough. The good news is that EOS will automatically retain the current state of your show after any action that you perform. So if you were to accidentally close the software, then reopen it, you should still see what you were working on before, or if your board loses power, it should still retain everything that you were doing. But that's not the same as autosaving. If you're to reopen another file and then go back to your first file, you've lost everything. So saving is still a very necessary part of your process. Good news, it's very simple. Anytime that you have a show, you'll see the title at the very top here. And if you see little asterisks, that means that there's stuff that needs to be saved. And it's very simple. All you need to do is come back down to the CIA, pop it open the file menu, and double-click the Save button right here. You'll see it go chug-a-lug-a-lug. Are you sure? And there you go. If you're a hotkeys person, you can always do Shift Update or Shift U. This makes the kind of over and over saving quite a bit easier. And if you see here, when we go to Open, Show Archive, and I'm going to find the file that we were just saving, that every time you save something, that it will create a new version of your file. And you can see when and what it was by this date stamp right here. And of course, the more that you save, the more options that you have to go backwards. So if you recreated a queue and you didn't like it, you could always pull that queue from the old version. Okay. I think that's the end of this lesson. That's all for saving. That was pretty simple. I guess that's maybe a good thing.